Hello from Slovenia again. It's flower time again. Probably these reverse flower dips are for ladies only, I don't know. Especially when I use colors like today. Some violets and blues. I think that men more like more vibrant colors, maybe, I don't know. So this is Extreme Sheen Sapphire Blue, and I will list all the colors into the description box of this video, and you have links to how I mix my paints and everything that you need to know. This one is Opera Rose, and Pearl White, and this one is Sevres Blue from Amsterdam Special Series. It's beautiful light blue. Okay, and next will be Extreme Sheen Gold, and Liquitex Quinacridone Blue Violet, and a little Pearl White again, and Amsterdam Special Series Indentrine Blue. This color is so gorgeous when it dries. Really is. Okay. So let's think about it. I will try just turn my cup around and do one row like that, and this will be all. I will just drag some of those petals towards the outside. So let's add a little of this Extreme Sheen Blue. Have to be careful when you are adding this Extreme Sheen paints because they can take over totally. And Opera Rose. And Pearl White. This lighter blue, I forgot again what is the name, and gold, and Quinacridone Violet, Pearl White, this indentrine blue. And I want to add my opera rose here at the end, because I want to have these opera rose petals in the middle if I can. And I will spray my paper napkin with water. I apologize if this will that I said that it will be for ladies only, because this is just my opinion that these colors will not be the colors that men normally like. So, not normally, usually. Sorry guys. Okay, this will be it. And let's place down my napkin. And the other half. I will just make sure that my paint touches the napkin, this napkin, all around. Okay. And to the lifting part, always exciting and a little scary for me. Because you can ruin it too with if you don't do this okay. So and this is what happened this time. I didn't do nice job with the lifting part. So I will just try to spin it a little bit. So I will just add a little black around, because I pull some black with my napkin off, so that it will have flow extender. I will spin it just a little bit, not too much, because it will develop some nice effects I see. So maybe I will even not spin it after I will look at it once more. Maybe just a tiny bit. there for a second. This is what Karen from Waterfall Acrylics would say. And this is the thing that you have to learn. I told you that I just sometimes just I ruin my painting because I don't wait long enough to make sure that maybe it looks okay and that I can leave it like it is and not touch it anymore. I just have to touch my center a little bit, and I will leave it because I like these cells around. I will show you what I'm talking about. You will see better this way. See, it has so beautiful little cells around or something, and you see here is black coming through, so I will still have to bring some of my blue metallic paint to the middle, but otherwise I think that I am happy. I like the colors and I like this violet next to gold. I know that it looks a little weird color on the camera, but still nice. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think about this one. And this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!